A crackling sound on a JBL speaker typically indicates a problem with the Bluetooth connection or an issue with the speaker itself. This sound can be caused by several factors, including the speaker being too far from the Bluetooth device, a defective Bluetooth receiver, or loose wires within the speaker. To resolve this issue, it is recommended to start by moving the speaker or device to reduce the distance between them and minimize any blockage. Additionally, checking the Bluetooth receivers can help identify the problem. Trying the device with a different speaker can determine if the issue lies with the JBL speaker's Bluetooth receiver. If the receiver is found to be faulty, it may need to be repaired or replaced, which can be done with the help of an expert. Another potential solution is to inspect the speaker's wiring. While the speaker is on, locate the connectors at the rear and carefully adjust the wires to identify any loose connections, soldering them in place if necessary to prevent the issue from recurring.